There's a large community of anime fans here at Peachybbies. From Naruto to Demon Slayer to Attack on Titan, there's so many. I asked you guys which anime slimes you want me to create, and your answers blew my mind. And here's the challenge. For every slime that I'm making, I have to use a graveyard slime as my base. Let's get started. We're gonna start off with my favorite, Demon Slayer. Now, I wanna choose a good graveyard slime for this one because I don't wanna ruin it. I'm thinking this one over here, under this disgusting bath bomb slime. Oh my god, this one's a heavy one, guys. I think this slime will be perfect. We're gonna dye it different colors because I wanna make a checkered pattern to kind of match Tanjiro's cloak. So I'm gonna dye half of this to this green color on his cloak, and the other half is gonna be black, and I'm gonna slash it just like how he slashes things with his katana. All right, let's get our dyes. We're gonna get some neon bright blue and some neon bright green, and then some of our blackest black. All right, guys, it took a lot of going from green to blue, but I think we finally got the right color. All right, now we need to do the other side of the checkers. I need to dye this green slime black. Let's hope this pigment works. All right, guys, I think we got the closest we can get to black. It does have a green base after all, so I'd say this kind of darkish gray black color suits the vibe. All right, we have our black base and our green base. And you know, Tanjiro has this special ability of doing water breathing, so I kind of want to surround the slime with like a wave to make that look like water breathing. So I added a tiny bit of blue, and I'm gonna add some white so we can lighten up our slime a bit. I'm gonna leave the blue just like this because this kind of marble effect looks like a wave. Here I have my special little container. We're gonna do a 3x3 checkered pattern with green and black and then surrounded by our blue wave because we wanna match Tanjiro's cloak and his water abilities. Yo guys, look at this. This is such a cool little checkered pattern. I'm just gonna flatten it up a bit. I'm trying to make it into a square. Now we're gonna surround it with our wave. Guys, this looks like a sushi. All right, now let's try to fit it into our container. There we go. Not gonna lie, making squares with slime is really hard, guys, but I think we're doing a pretty good job. For such a complicated design, I'd say we nailed it. Wait, we need more water breathing in this slime. Let's go to Charmville. So I found the perfect little cube charms. They kind of look like waves with this little pattern they have. And so I'm gonna add these to the side. And now we gotta top it off because this is not a Demon Slayer slime without our characters. Oh, his leg, no! Here we have Tanjiro and Nezuko. Let's place them on our slime. Wait a minute, it feels like it's missing something. Not only his leg, but it's missing the box. This is where he carries Nezuko, taking her through all of the adventures they go through. So we're gonna place it right here. There we go. While I'm at it, I might as well give him his leg back. He deserves it. I love this, guys. It's super cute, very iconic, but we have more anime slimes to make, so let's move on to the next one. For this next one, I'm gonna blindfold myself and pick a random slime. Something about this one is calling my name. That's perfect. Guys, you know why this base is perfect? Because we're doing Hunter x Hunter. And this white base is perfect because it reminds me of our character Killua, who has white hair. On top of his white hair, he wears like a navy blue undershirt and a white shirt over that. So we're gonna keep this slime simple and do like a white base with some navy blue accents. I'm gonna fill up this container with our white slime. And then I wanna get some of this slime and add the navy blue because we're gonna make like a little ring around it. So the ring is kind of gonna represent the yo-yos that Killua uses as his weapons to fight. I think we're almost there with the color. We just need a little bit more dye. After all that mixing, we finally got a really nice blue color. So I'm gonna grab some of this and kind of make that ring. That looks awesome, guys. Now we need to add our charms. So Killua has some lightning powers, and I think that these charms represent that perfectly. But this isn't a Hunter x Hunter slime without his best friend. We have Gon. Let's place Gon right in the middle. Oh, he's so cute. And I have something else. His driver's license. I'd say this is a beautiful Hunter x Hunter slime. This next one is my favorite anime by far. It just has the most beautiful slice of life. So I have Christian here and he's gonna pick a graveyard slime for me. He can either sabotage me or pick a really good one.
I have never seen an anime besides Arcane. All I know is like fighting, a lot of action, a lot of cool stuff going on. It's probably gonna be like darker, so I wanna give her a real challenge. This is what I think Anna wants me to pick, but it's too easy. So I think this pink snow fizz might be like the vibe because it might be underactivated. We're going this one. This is the one you have to pick.
No! Okay, let's do it. Oh, come on, Christian. This is so bad.
You've been fooled. Good luck. You'll need it.
Trust me, guys, we're gonna get back at him later. But he actually picked a really good one. I'd say we lucked out. The anime that we're doing is actually a love story, so this slime is perfect. I'm just gonna add some activator, but we're gonna keep the color because this next anime that we're doing is called Toradora. This anime is a really cute love story between Taiga and Ryuji. In this story, Taiga has such a messy apartment, and Ryuji's always getting mad at her for being such a dusty girl. And you know what else is dusty? Our Peachybbies Dust Bunny slime. This Dust Bunny's clay kit is my favorite. It smells like my laundry. Oh my god. You can get this one and many other cute little clay kits at peachybbies.com. We restock every Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure to grab yourself some dusty bunnies. All right, now our slime is pretty activated, so we have to go pick some charms that represent some love. I grabbed some really pretty red hearts because of course it's a love story, and Ryuji would always make Taiga food because she couldn't feed herself. She was so lazy. So I got some perfect little waffle charms. I love this anime so much. The soundtrack honestly has like my favorite music ever, and I have something perfect to top this off. We got Taiga and her cat. We're gonna place her right here in the middle. This cat was so annoying in the show. We're gonna put him right here. It actually suits the vibe of the show so well. She's so cute. I want to take her home with me. But now we're going to move on to one of the most legendary animes ever. This one's Attack on Titan. I'm not going to let anyone else choose. We're going to get the perfect base for this. We're not leaving it up to chance. This Bingsu right here is that perfect crunchy vibe, just like how the Titans crunch people in their mouths. We're going to dye this one red. It's going to represent the blood, sweat, and tears in this show. Let's get some red dye. We're gonna be using super red because we're making this slime extra bloody looking. I've seen Aaron leave the warehouse with red stained hands like 5 times now, so I'm wearing gloves. Even though this anime is super popular, I don't think it needs charms. Our clay topper speaks for itself. We have Eren Yeager in Titan form. Guys, the detail on this clay figure is insane. Look at his washboard abs. Look at his pecs. He's been hitting it hard at the gym. Let's place him on our slime. I don't know what says Attack on Titan more than this slime. I think this slime is badass, but this next one is the most well-known anime ever. For this next one, we're doing Pokemon. So for the base, we need to get some wild grass. This one's the closest we're getting to grass from all our graveyard slimes, and it has a good texture. Why is this one so nice? You guys, I don't even think this one belongs in the graveyard. It's like perfectly coated with charms, but we have to dye this darker green to make it look like wild grass where you catch some Pokemon. We're gonna be using this leaf green color, and it's perfect because it also happens to be the name of a Pokemon game, Pokemon Leaf Green. I love collecting Pokemon cards, and the other day I was at a card store and the lady working there gave me Eevee Espeon V Max card for free, and we became besties. I'd say we got the perfect color, but I'm not gonna add real grass to this one this time, guys. All right, calm down. I'm gonna add this grassy base into our container, and now we have to get some revenge on Christian. We're gonna catch him. Goodbye, Christian. Oh my god, guys, it actually worked. We caught Christian. Now we're gonna put Christian on my slime forever. But you know what? He needs a buddy. We got Pikachu. We don't want Christian to be lonely. Pikachu's gonna watch over Christian till the end of time. And there we go, guys. This is our last anime slime for Pokemon. And there we have it, guys. Comment your favorite anime, and if this video gets 10,000 likes, I'll make a part 2. Thanks for watching.